Looking for an AI tool that can generate videos, create stunning images, talking photos, and even swap faces all in one place? Meet Magic Hour AI. It's an all-in-one creative platform packed with powerful AI tools that make content creation faster and easier than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through some of its most useful features, including text-to-video, talking photo, AI image generator, and face swap photo step by step. So let's jump right into the tutorial. First, open up your browser, type Magic Hour AI into the Google search bar, and hit enter. Click on the primary link to open the official website. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click Start Creating Free. This brings you right into the main dashboard. As you can see by scrolling down, the platform offers a huge variety of powerful AI creative tools all in one place. To get started with our project, navigate to the top left menu, click on Create, select the video category, and then click on Text to Video. And just like that, we're ready to start creating our AI video. Once you are inside the text to video interface, start by clicking into the prompt section. Here, you'll want to clearly describe your scene. Next, click on Add Effects to customize your visual style. A gallery of options will appear. Let's select the beautiful Violet Evergarden style to give our video a stunning, high-quality anime look. Now, let's pick the AI rendering model. Scroll down through the available engines and select Seedance 2.0 for smooth, character-focused results. Move down to the settings panel to customize your final clip. We'll set the duration to 10 seconds. Click the resolution option to choose your preferred output quality. Next, click on the aspect ratio option and select the format that best fits your video. And then click Generate Video. The platform will now begin processing your project. In just a few moments, the AI will generate your custom anime scene automatically. And there it is, your final custom anime scene is ready. Just look at that. The quality looks absolutely incredible. To try a different tool, click Video in the top left corner and select the Talking Photo feature. Inside the tool interface, click the Add Image box, then select Upload from Device. Choose the photo you want to create, click Open to upload it. Next, click Add Audio to attach the voice file. Upload the corresponding audio clip from your file. If everything looks good, simply click Confirm Trim to lock it in and continue. Make sure the generation mode is set to realistic and your output resolution is correct. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. And just like that, your custom talking video is complete. Just look at how realistic it turned out. Hello everyone. Today, I'll introduce you to an amazing AI photo talking tool that can turn any still image into a realistic talking video with natural lip sync and facial expressions. To create a brand new image, click on the Image option in the top navigation bar to open the Image Toolkit, and then select the AI Image Generator. Once inside the generator, head over to the prompt box on the left and type in a detailed description of the scene you want to bring to life. Now, customize your preferences right below the prompt. You can adjust the aspect ratio, select your preferred art style, let's switch it to General, and choose your desired resolution. Next, click on the Model option to choose the AI engine that will power your image generation, then select Nano Banana Pro for high-quality results. Once everything is set up, simply click Generate Image, and there it is, your image is ready. Just look at that. The quality and level of detail are absolutely incredible. To swap faces in a picture, click on the Image tab in the top navigation menu to open your toolkit, and select Face Swap Photo. First, click the Upload Original Face box, browse your device's files, and select the photo you want to use as the foundation. Next, it's time to choose the face you want to swap in. Click Upload New Face, browse your files again, and select your target photo. Open the advanced settings to fine-tune your results. You can choose your preferred rendering version or adjust the face mask mode. For this tutorial, let's switch it to stable mode for better handling of beards and mustaches. Once everything is set up, click Generate Image. And there it is, your face-swapped image is ready. Just look at that. If you enjoyed this AI video tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on notifications and don't forget to leave a like if you found this video helpful.